He's an ex-teacher and a unionist. He attained a certificate in education, Tamil, from the Teachers Training College in Singapore in 1972. He attained specialist training in the teaching of physical education, and he has taught in many primary and secondary schools and has been the sports secretary in the school. He did join the PAP in the early 80s, but unfortunately, the aspirations of the PAP changed drastically. He feels that the feelings and the frustrations of his fellow Singaporeans are not effectively heard in the parliament. And the government has become highly insensitive to the aspiration and the hardship of the people. I present to you the Sars.
Rakyat Singapura, para pengundi, ini election untuk anda. Ini election untuk hidupan anda. 52 tahun PAP memang menang semua election, jadikan government, tetapi hidupan kita masih susah. Bagaimana? Bila election datang, PAP bagi macam-macam yang promise, tetapi hidupan masih sama. Negara kita kaya, tetapi rakyat memang miskin. Menteri-menteri dan it's about us, the general public and the citizens of Singapore. It has got nothing to do with the renewal of the PAP or the government leadership. We have had ministers after ministers. For the last 52 years, PAP has been in power. We have seen all the changes, but the people are still suffering. Why do we have people living in a void deck? What is wrong with it? The country is very rich, but the people are poor. Why should we collect GST for essential goods? Is it necessary? Is the country that poor? When we can spend billions of dollars investing in overseas, losing billions of dollars, why can't we get rid of the GST for essential goods? That is what SDP is asking is about. Please, bear in mind, this is our future. We have been a silent majority for far too long. It's enough. It's the time for a change. I was a PAP member once upon a time, 1980s. I was with the PAP. I joined the party because the party that I was in love with was the one that was founded by very committed people. We had Goh Keng Swee. We had wonderful leaders in those days who are concerned about us. They built the nation, but the present leadership has got no right to claim credit for it. You understand that? Because the present leadership do not understand the feelings and the frustration of the voters. How often you see your ministers and MPs sitting with you in the coffee shop chatting? Once in a 5 years. Election time they come and approach you. They talk to you. They'll give you all kind of promises. But after the election, you go and queue up. Wait for the ministers, wait for the MPs. That is the irony. I left the party because I feel ashamed. That's the thing. But there are a lot of you, there are a lot of civil servants and friends who are still the party members, I appeal to you, please search your conscience. If you truly feel that is the party that you would like to be identified with, I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry. When we went to the nomination centers, we could see how many people were there. The PAP supporters were there. I know, I'm not blaming. They've been compelled. I understand that. Please, when the voting comes, search your soul and vote. That's what I request. Now, one more important info, I want to share it with you. Last election was held on the 7th. The nomination was on the 27th of April 2006. The headline states on the newspaper, just for 1 minute, May Day, Payday, Poll Day. That was what stated in 2006. They claim, is it a coincidence? You know and I know. I leave that to you. Dear friends, please vote for SDP. Thank you.